gerade ein Déjà-vu.
Ein Déjà-vu oder ein Fehler in der Matrix. Ein Fehler in der Matrix.
सो कल मैं ना खाना खाते खाते टीवी देख रहा था. उसके बाद में फिर मेरे रूम में नॉक होता है. सो इट्स माई मॉम देयर. फिर आती है वो और उनके हाथ में खाना है. एंड चीज़ एंड आई एम लाइक कि खाना क्यों लाए हो, मैं तो खा रहा था. और नीचे देखता हूँ तो फिर नहीं, कुछ खा ही नहीं रहा था मैं एक्चुअली. और उन्होंने जस्ट खाना बना के लाया.
I just had a similar experience just like that. Maybe it's kind of a deja vu thing, but the thing is like I had a dream. I can't recall it completely, but in my dream I was on the street and there's this shop. ठीक है, उसके शॉप के बाहर एक और एक ऐसा स्टॉल है जहाँ पे सब सेल कर रहा था कुछ, तो वेजिटेबल्स या फिर ऐसा कुछ ग्रोसरीज. तो वहाँ पे एक बंदा था जो मेरे को देख रहा है. ठीक है, मैं भी उसको देख रहा हूँ, बट आई एम लाइक फक इट. ठीक है, एंड ऑन द सेम डे वो ड्रीम होने के बाद इन द रियलिटी थिंग मैं आई सॉ अ गाय सेम टू सेम सिमिलर टू दैट गाय in my dream.
You know, like the same thing happened with me the other day as well. Like I was going somewhere and I saw this person's face, and then I stopped at this shop and I saw like a very similar person to him.
I guess ये ड्रीम वाला बहुत कॉमन है, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है क्योंकि आई हैड अ ड्रीम कि मैं और मेरे दो दोस्त हम लोग एक स्पेसिफिक होटल जाते हैं. एंड हम लोग ऐसे ही नॉर्मल इट इज़ अ पार्टी सॉर्ट ऑफ, बट हम लोग तीनों. बट एंड द सेम थिंग हैपन आफ्टर 3 to 4 years लेटर कि मैं वही दो दोस्तों के साथ सेम जगह पे गया था, बट आई डेंट न्यू कि इट वॉज द सेम जगह जो मेरे ड्रीम में था वो. एंड वी वो द सेम क्लोथ्स, हम लोग तीनों ही थे. हम लोग ने सेम खाना भी मंगाया, हम लोग सेम वैसे ही बैठे थे जैसे ड्रीम में बैठे थे. तो आई गेस जो ड्रीम था वही मेरे साथ फिर से रिपीट हुआ था.
Like your deja vu was very precise about
Yes,
everything.
very fucking precise.
I have experienced deja vu multiple times too, but sometimes now, like mostly when I'm with my friends and family. I remember one day I was sitting with my mom and my sister. It was a Sunday, it was afternoon, and we were just chilling and talking about stuff. Specifically, mom was talking something about me, and mom said something, and I just had this sudden feeling that this has happened before. But you know, the feeling wasn't that intense because I know that this would have happened before with me, but in this life. But some experience like are so intense that I know that this has happened before, but not in this life, but in my past life. Like for example, I have had a dream twice that I used to live in some ऐसा fort वाली जगह with my huge family. एंड जब भी आई विजिट ऐसा फोर्ट्स ना, तो ऐसा कुछ तो familiarity लगता है मेरे को.
Yeah, I think so. Deja vu must be our past life recalling the moments.
There's a theory of that.
It might be
I've
syncing.
heard about
Past
it.
life
Sync
वाला
होता रहेगा
theory.
ऐसा कुछ तो.
मेरे को वही लगता है कि like mainly ना कि when we get the feeling कि this thing has already happened, it's something related to our past life. Like most of the time ना वो वैसे ही लगता है कि ये बहुत पहले हो गया, like not in this life but like a long time back.
Yeah.
I guess there are theories too about deja vu.
Yeah. I've heard कि some scientists say it's a brain checking a memory process something. And then I also heard कि so what happens is with deja vu. With an example I will give. Like once I was reading newspaper, and then suddenly this cat was going around. So I didn't notice. I just knew subconsciously that a cat was going from beside. So while I was reading, when I shifted to the next article, then suddenly the cat was going in the same direction, and I thought I had just seen it.
Deja vu.
Or it had happened. So that was my experience with deja vu.
But that's a kind of like magical thing, right? मतलब whole deja vu
I
thing.
thought it was glitch in the matrix.
Yeah, kind of like that.
I just think it's like deja vu happens because like there are certain things present in our subconscious mind which the brain does not process at that particular time.
Yes.
And later on it ऐसा gets completely processed, and that's why we feel like कि वो चीज़ वापस हो रहा है. You know?
One thing is that, and other I think कि deja vu is just having a flashback of our past life or something that has happened before.
I believe in this theory that deja vu is basically something that has happened in past life.
Okay, अभी जो मैं जो एक सिनारियो बताया मेरा, तो I was ऐसा so into it, तो I googled it कि like what exactly is happening, you know. So there was this article, and I don't know it's a fact or a myth, but उसमें लिखा था कि अभी समझ ले कि like तू तेरे जैसे और भी 6 लोग हैं. So like समझ ले कि like there are 7 people who look same ditto like you.
I guess वो ये theory है कि
So do they
there are
only look like me or their personalities are also similar?
I have no idea about that.
I think it's only about the looks.
Looks, yeah.
I've also heard this a lot. Ki like,
I guess वो 7 continents, so 7 same people वाला theory है.
yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
Like there are 7 continents in general, so there must be ऐसा 7 doppelgangers, I guess.
Doppelganger.
हाँ,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
तो
So-
वैसे ही the words he said, I
Doppelganger.
We have
Doppelgangers.
6 doppelgangers.
Yeah, I've heard this theory a lot.
Have you guys watched ऐसा any movie मतलब जिसमें ऐसा deja vu का reference है वरना फिर deja vu से related है?
After
Death
Matrix,
Day?
I was totally convinced that I'm living in a situation, and then whenever I used to get deja, I was thinking there's a glitch in the Matrix.
सही में bro. There's this another movie too, Happy Death Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even that is completely about deja vu thing.
It's, I think, the same cycle is getting.
Yeah, it's just basically a
repeated.
loop.
Do you think loop and deja vu is the same thing?
No.
But so with loop, you know, right? So in that movie you're referring to, right? So what happens is that the protagonist knows what's going to happen, right? And she's stuck in a loop. So she's getting the deja vu that what will happen next.
But that's what I'm asking. Do you think it's like the same thing or like two different
Somewhat
factors?
related to
Yeah.
each other, but not completely.
I guess Final Destination में भी दिखा है the deja vu thing.
Yeah. But
I've not seen it.
is it normal?
I guess everybody
Yeah,
faces.
everybody has it.
I think it's normal because everybody goes through it.
And I
Like,
have read कि deja vu ऐसे particular age group में होता है, like from 15 to 25 ऐसे
Yes.
ज़्यादा होता है.
I think that's when our brain is like working the most.
Yes.
It's also developing that time.
Yeah. I think it's already developed by that age. But like, you know, because you have so many distractions like college, nahi to job, your brain is trying to focus, like work in 2 sets. So I think so that's the reason why you experience deja vu in that span of period a lot.
But I guess it's just not to that age limit. मेरे को लगता है 25 के बाद में भी like age of 50 वगैरह 45 वगैरह ये लोग को भी deja vus आते होंगे, like our parents, but they never talk about it.
But
Like,
I feel like that time it as gets a lot of people might in like that age group confuse it with, you know, forgetting something and like
हाँ,
deja vu.
वो भी
कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि like हम लोग एक दिन का एक पूरा फेस भूल जाते हैं कि like समझ ले कि there's this hour वो हम लोग भूल गए completely, and समझ ले कि like जो कुछ भी वो hour में हुआ and if that thing is ऐसा happening again, you know, you kind of ऐसा get alert कि bro, तो ऐसा confusion भी रहता है bro, so can't say.
I don't think it's just a bad thing, you know. Like
no, it is not a bad thing. It's just a phenomenon.
yeah,
It is
like
not
if
as a
we
good or
go
bad.
to categorize it into good or bad, I don't think so there is any categorization to
But
it.
it's a very strange phenomenon.
yeah, it's a
Yeah,
strange
it is a
phenomenon.
strange phenomenon.
सब magical है कुछ तो, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है.
I feel it's quite creepy.
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah.
I feel curious, like क्या हुआ?
Yeah, what exactly is it?
नहीं
Like,
वो जैसे बोला इट इज मैजिकल, तो ऐसा थोड़ा लगता है स्ट्रेंज मैजिकल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग.
Yeah, I guess in what situation it happens to you. With
हाँ
me,
वो
it's
भी
in
है, it depends
creepy
upon the
encounters.
situations.
it's like you get more curious to find out more about it. Like, why is it happening and like, kya scene exactly?
Right.
Deja vu is usually a glitch in the Matrix. It happens when they change something. It happens when they change something. It happens when they change something. It happens when they